As well as the room schedule I produce for my client, I also need to produce a gross internal and gross external or gross building area and place them on sheets, so that my client can do an analysis of the internal and external areas. I have already created area plans with the gross building and the gross internal areas placed and categorized using the name parameter into a number of subsections. So now I can create my area schedules. So I go to the View tab, click on Schedules, click on Schedule and Quantities, and then if I scroll down, you'll see under the areas I have the 3 area schemes that I have in my project. So you can only select each area scheme per schedule, and then you cannot change it once you have selected the area scheme. I'll click Cancel and go to the Architecture, the little drop down arrow underneath the room and area. Under Area and Volume Computations, I can click Area Schemes, and these are the area schemes that I have in my project. So just to note, the schedule will only relate and represent one type of schedule when it has been created. I'll go to View, Schedules. I'll create my gross building area schedule. OK. I will just have the level and the name and the area. So I'll sort it by level, then by name, and I will calculate totals for the area, and in sorting I will then have a grand total of totals only, and I will untick itemize every instance. So here we have the total area for the gross building area. If I go back to my gross building ground floor plan, you'll see that I have this area here, which if I tab to select is an area type exterior area, which I'll want to exclude from my schedule. So I'm going to go to the area schedule, add the fields, add the area type, filter by. Now you'll see that area type does not appear on the filter list. So this is an important thing to note, that if you need to filter the area type by gross building or external, you would need to do it with a different method than using the area type. Try and add the area type, filter. You can see it does not exist in the filter list. So what I'm quickly going to do instead is I will just add the area type in, and then I will sort by the area type, and I will change the name of the exterior to exterior area, and then keep the rest, the gross building area, as area, which means I can then go back to my sorting, sort by level, then by name, and then I can filter by name equals area, and I can remove the area type. Click OK, and now you see I have a complete schedule excluding the area. If I select on all these 3 and I go to the ground floor of my gross building, you'll see that it's selected all of these areas except this external area here. If I want to, I can then hide the name from the schedule, because I don't really need this. I don't need this name, so I click OK. So all I have is the ground floor and the area. I can right click to create a new sheet, and I can click and drag that onto my sheet. So this is now showing me the area schedule for the gross building. I've also created an area schedule for the gross internal area, where I have sorted it by level and then by the type of area, with a total area for the level and then a total area for the entire building below. So I can click to drag this area onto here. I can then update the formatting. So now I've updated the area schedules and I can send these to my client.